What if the biggest financial turning points in your life have nothing to do with income and everything to do with net worth? Most people don't track it. They track salary. Imagine someone in the U.S. earning $85,000 a year. After taxes, maybe $60,000 hits their bank account. That's $5,000 a month. Rent is $1,900. Car payment is $550. Insurance, utilities, groceries, another $1, $1,200. Student loans, $400. Subscriptions, travel, eating out, easily $600. Suddenly, $5,000 becomes $350. On paper, this person looks middle to upper middle class. In reality, their net worth might be close to zero or negative. And that's the first milestone that changes everything. The moment your net worth reaches zero, meaning your assets finally equal your debts. You stop working for the past. You're no longer paying for yesterday's decisions. Most people stay below this line for years because lifestyle upgrades feel more urgent than balance sheet repair. The second milestone is $100. Zero in net worth, not because it's flashy, but because of math. At $100,000 invested, even a modest 7% annual return generates $7,000 a year. That's money working quietly in the background. It's the point where compounding becomes visible. Before that, progress feels slow. After that, momentum begins. Yet psychologically, people sabotage this stage. When savings grow, lifestyle pressure grows with it. A better apartment, a newer car, a reward for working hard. The system quietly resets them back toward zero. The third milestone is when your investments cover your basic living costs. If you need $3,000 a month to live, that's $36,000 a year. At a 4% withdrawal rate, you'd need around $900,000 invested. For many in Europe or the US, that sounds distant. But the mindset shift happens long before you reach it. Financially intelligent people don't see money as spending power. They see it as income-producing capacity. They don't ask, "Can I afford this monthly payment?" They ask, "How much future income am I giving up?" Ignore these milestones, and decades pass with high income but low control. Understand them, and even an average salary can slowly build leverage. This isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about crossing invisible lines most people never notice. If this perspective helped you think more clearly about your own numbers, consider subscribing for more calm, rational discussions about money.